Thank you for joining us today. In this short video, we're going to take just a few minutes and go over jumbo loans and determine exactly what is considered a jumbo loan in the state of California. Again, this will just be a couple of minutes. If you're a home buyer and you have questions, please visit us at jumbomortgagesource.com or call 800-962-0677. Okay, so before we determine what is a jumbo loan, we have to have our baseline for what is a conforming loan or a conventional loan as they're commonly referred to. And basically conforming loans, they're just mortgages that meet or conform to the loan limits and guidelines set by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Conforming, conventional, it's basically just a standard mortgage. And for California, the baseline conforming loan limit for 2025 is $806,500 for a one unit property in most counties. Okay, that's for most of the counties. Now, there's many of the coastal counties in California that are considered high cost, and these counties have higher conforming loan limits that go all the way up to 1,209,750 for a one unit property. Again, this is for some of the coastal counties. And this again is just for a base conforming loan. So if you're looking to purchase a home, and your loan limit, not the sales price, but your final loan limit is going to be at this area, you'll just do a standard conventional or conforming loan. Now, we mentioned some of the high cost counties that have the higher conforming loan limits. These counties include LA, Orange, San Francisco County, Santa Clara. You can read through there. And then there's some counties that are in between. They may not be all the way at the bottom or all the way to the top, and they're kind of in between. And their loan limits for conforming loans may be somewhere in the neighborhood of 900,000 to about 1.1 million. And these in between counties, we'll call them, includes like San Francisco, Ventura County, Napa, and Santa Barbara. So they're kind of in between. This is the map that shows basically the high cost areas. You can see really through most of coastal California. The darker areas, those are going to be the highest limits, and then the yellow areas there indicate, and also the lighter orange areas indicate some of the counties that are really in between there as far as the conforming loan limits. So again, anything that exceeds the conforming loan limit would be considered a jumbo mortgage. Okay, and then the jumbo mortgage, the loan limits depend on really the down payment and the qualifications of the borrower. And jumbo loan options are available all the way up to 95% financing. And generally, for most of California, especially the high cost counties, home buyers have options that are available up to 2 million for 95% financing. And then home buyers that have a little bit greater down payment, 10% down payment, they'll have higher loan limits available to them, often to 2.5 and 3 million for the high cost counties. And then as you go up in your down payment, of course, the loan limits do increase as well. 80%, then you're over 3.5 million and so forth. And again, it just depends on really the down payment and then the qualifying profile of the borrower. Some of the details real quick on, we'll just highlight really quick some of the popular programs like the 5% down, again up to 2 million. Credit score requirements, they all have credit score qualifying requirements, greatly depend on the down payment. For the 95% option, home buyers want to have at least a 680 credit score. If their loans get a little bit higher, over 1.5, they're probably going to require 720 credit score. These are all fully documentation loans with income and asset documentation, just the same as a conventional loan. 2 years of bank statements, or I'm sorry, 2 years of tax returns, and then also W-2s if you're a regular wage earner. The property types include primary homes, single family, townhomes, and most condos. Investment properties, rental homes, They're not permitted. There are options for rental properties, but they generally require at least a 20 to 25% down payment. And the transaction types are going to be all your regular purchase and rate and term refinance. There is cash out refinance options available, but those are limited to 90% loan to value. Okay, and then of course all your common fixed rate and adjustable rate terms that are all fully amortized. And there's piggyback loan options, combo loan options with first and second mortgages that are often available. So buyers it allows them to get around paying PMI or monthly mortgage insurance. And in some cases also allows them to keep their primary first mortgage at or below the conforming loan limit, which can help greatly on the interest rate of the primary loan. So we have a bunch of different ways to structure depending on, again, what the loan amount is and the profile, the qualifying profile of the borrower. So be sure to contact us to discuss your scenario in detail. Okay, so for the 10% down option, really everything's pretty much the same except the loan amounts do increase. They go up often to 3 million, and again, all the property types, documentation requirements, and transaction types, these are all the same except there are cash out refinance options available too for 90% up to 90%. And again, the available terms and combo loan options are available as well. There's also for those buyers that are maybe self-employed that may have challenges qualifying through traditional income qualifying with bank statements and things like that. There are bank statement qualifying programs available also that go up to 85 or 90% financing that allows self-employed borrowers to qualify based on their actual business bank deposits. So that's an interesting program that a lot of self-employed borrowers like. Okay, so that's a quick rundown. If you have any questions, again, please visit us at jumbomortgagesource.com. There's a lot more information there, or you can call us too at 800-962-0677. Thank you.